Come with me, bake a bread.
Ano yung shoes mo? Hindi mo pinakita Ate Jebel.
Yeah. This is the first. This is the dough. Okay. Wait. I'm gonna shape it first. This is it. So, let's add a little flour to make it not. We have the flour. Let's put
Yes.
this is. We're gonna add some sugar. I don't know if you see it. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, see it, all of them. Let's add a little. And this is the oil. Let's mix it in.
Ito na kayo pa na.
Weng, nagatoy. Turuan ka. Kasi ako dahil ako nagsasaon. Panahin ko magpagalit kasi magpagasan ka.
Ugly and
Nan, magbagang? Napala nun? Ayan.
Ayan tayo pekas mo. Nakerde. Ito yung punak.
Saan? Dita, donuts. Dita.
okay. Let's put it on the oven.
Pop, walnut.
And let's put this on the oven. It's right there. Do you see it? See you on part 2. Bye!